You know what? These are the children from the northern mountains of Vietnam. When I look into their eyes, I see kindness and gentleness. They excitedly asked each of us in the group for our signatures. I don't know how long they will keep those pieces of paper, but for me, oh, it's so touching. That moment will stay forever in my memory. The evening in October in Vietnam felt so pleasant. After dinner, we joined a cultural exchange with the local people. They wore such colorful and unique traditional costumes, so different from our modern clothes. That made me even more fascinated and appreciative of the beauty of this country. Ending a meaningful night with traditional ethnic melodies. The next day we embarked on a new journey, one that began with a torrential rain. The sunset here was truly beautiful. It gave me such a peaceful and relaxing feeling. Sometimes we faced a few challenges on the narrow and bumpy roads, but gradually everything was left behind. Only we kept moving forward, carrying with us so many wonderful memories. This meaningful journey will stay in our hearts forever. We will remember the people, the moments, and the friends we made along the way. It's truly wonderful to be alive and to do what we love. Thank you, motorbike tour expert, for giving us such an amazing experience.